I am currently in Greenwich Village to see an apartment that seems too good to be true. It is extremely cheap for this location. We're here on West 11th Street, and I am here to check it out and take you along for the ride. Okay, thank you. Am I in the right place? Wow. Okay, well, I knew that this would be small, but I didn't imagine that it would be this small. I mean, the good thing is that it's pretty renovated, it's clean, it's nice, it's new. Sorry if you hear an echo. Okay, I guess this is gonna be a really quick apartment tour. So walking in from the front door, and you can see the entire apartment from here. That completes our tour. No, seriously guys, so we are in an amazing location, which is kind of what you're paying for. I'm gonna measure the space. I hope that I brought my tape measure, but because the space is so small, they weren't able to get in a full-size refrigerator. So we have a mini fridge. You do have a cooktop, which some apartments I've seen that were this small don't even have that. So it may seem crazy, but that's kind of a plus. You have somewhat of a walk-in closet. So I think for one person, that would obviously be enough storage space. You can put your suitcase at the bottom and get even 2 racks of hanging. And then sweaters and stuff at the top. Before coming here that there'd be a little more space so I can kind of work out in my brain where would someone put a bed, to see if you could put a desk, maybe put a table. But I must admit, this apartment is a little bit smaller than I expected it to be. So there really isn't much wiggle room as far as where you can put everything. This is where the bed would have to go. That way.
Yeah, that way.
And I believe a full and queen size bed are both the same length, 6 feet. And it'd probably come to about right here. So you'd have only this much space left over. And you would really need to decide what's more important, a place to eat or a place to work. And since this place is probably most likely for students, I would do a bed, and then I would do a desk here in this corner, and just do a ton of storage. So now that I've given you the shortest apartment tour that ever lived on the internet, you may be wondering, okay, there's a mini kitchen, there's a place to put the bed, and there's a pretty big closet, but where is the bathroom? This apartment has a shared bathroom, which means you have to share the bathroom with other people and other apartments on the floor. Since I've shown you everything else, the last thing to see is the bathroom. So let's kind of see you hop out of the bed. You walk to your front door. into the hallway. And here is the toilet. There's no mirror. I wish there was a mirror. And here is the shower. Now that we've seen it all, it's time for me to tell you guys the price. I want to say that the location is amazing. If you're a student at NYU, this is kind of what you'd be paying in the dorm and be sharing a room. So I think let's keep that in mind. But the price of this apartment is $1,600. Now I know a lot of you guys may be freaking out, and I do think it's a bit small for the price, but for the location, when you factor that in, I could totally see it. And to be honest, I don't hate it. I know you guys are gonna think I'm crazy, but I actually think for the location and for the building, especially if I was a student, I would rather live here than to live in a dorm with other people. So I want to hear in the comments below what you guys think. Would you live in a space this small? That completes the tour for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Definitely subscribe because I have a ton more apartment tours coming up. Let me know what you guys think of this place in the comments below, and I'll see you in my next video.